Today in this video we will show you amazing G-Power portable power station by G7 Power brand that you can use for fast charging for your devices like smartphones, laptop, drone and camera. Before we start, please subscribe to this channel and hit the bell notification icon for more product review videos.
Hi everybody, today I want to show you another portable power bank that I just got. This is the G-Power power bank. It's really cool because, as I will show you, it's very small, it looks really sleek and modern, and as it shows right here, it has up to 80 watts of power for if you want to plug in anything, or it has 30 watts of power if you are using any USB. So first I want to show you how it comes with this carrying bag. It's really nice, strong, and then this is the power bank. It feels like it's plastic, but it's a really nice texture of the plastic, and I like the contrast of the red and the black. Again, makes it look really sleek. So you can plug in your laptop. It has it for a plug-in, it has for a USB and a USB-C, and so you can do multiple electronics at the same time. Now it has also the indicator right here that will show you how much of the battery is left or how charged it is, and then you just turn it on right there and it gives you the green light, and that is turned. And again, you can plug in your laptop, you charge your USB phone or your USB-C, either phone or any other electronic that you might have. It's not that heavy and it's very convenient for traveling. It has a fan for cooling, and it has sensors for overheating, for any kind of short circuit or any overcharging. It takes only 2.5 hours to charge this full thing, and it will give you can charge your laptop fully twice, or your cell phone 16 times. You can charge your camera, whether it's recording or a photography camera, 10 times. So very powerful, very convenient, sleek looking. So I think this is a really nice power bank, and whether it's for yourself or for a gift, this is pretty cool. I like it a lot. I've done a few reviews of some power banks before, and I tell you the truth, they don't look as sleek, and they don't actually come with the 3-prong plug. So there's only for USB or USB-Cs. This is the first time that I have one that is for actual plug, that is this size and this powerful. And I hope you guys find it as useful as I am.